Hi, I am Satish, founder of GoEasy Mobile City Guide. Here we are going to introduce a new kiosk for local search. This can be placed in any of the shops and it's very portable. And with this kiosk, we have added a tablet PC, which is for 7.5 inches, and it's very compatible also. And we developed in a very low cost model. Well, I'm just going to explain how this is going to work. In the initial screen, there is a screensaver. In the screensaver, we can paste some ads. Those are payable ads, which is from some other company or any hotels. They can place their local ads in this screen. Just entering in the app. So there are three menus. Under this, I am going to publication shares. Here also we are having some ad, and you can see the list of menus. So now I am going to search a shopping mall. These are the three major shopping malls in Chennai, and I am going to select Express Avenue. This is a list of categories under Express Avenue. I am going to search some textile showrooms or apparel stores. So these are some list of apparel stores. You can see I am just going for Peep Jeans. So this is the address of the Peep Jeans and the contact number and the mail ID, and we can see the timings also. The opening time is morning 10 AM and the closing time is 10 PM. And what are their other services they are giving for both ladies, gents, and for kids also, every textiles. Here they can also add their deals or some images of their shop, and the end user can easily serve these details. Instead of going to a website, they can serve these details in their local shops. We are planning to place this kiosk in a provision shop or a mobile storeroom, anywhere near where people can reach this. So I am not easy, I can go for some other shops. These are a list of shops under apparel store in Express Avenue. So yes, local person can also search their nearest shops. So these are the ads. Just we are giving a sample screen over there. Suppose I need some hotels or somewhere nearby location. I'm just going for a cake shop. Just finding a cake shop in Chennai Nagar. So this is the cake shop name, Fairfit 3. And you can see the address of the Fairfit 3 and the contact number and their working time. That's morning they are opening the shop at 8 AM and evening they are closing by 9. And if they are having some other categories, we can add this, and the images also. They can have a photo cake, somewhat whatever they are having. Those facilities they can have an image. So I am going to search Westmoreland Bakery. Since I am looking for some cake shop, so even I think this shop is also Polish. We can find out what all the service they are providing with the timing and other things. Apart from the local search, people can search their needs, all the needs like transportations, and if they want some emergency, police station, blood banks, ambulance, all these details. That under transportation, a person can search for a local bus or a private bus or outstation trains with the timings, everything. And this is we are planning to place this kiosk in public locations like provisions or somewhere in shopping complex, many places. So it is very easy for the localians and for the entrepreneurs to give a lot of advertisements. Advertisements and local search. If they want some tailor shops, those tailor shops also be added in this app. Suppose they want some puncher shops, every details will be added within this application. So we are planning to place around 4 to 5 kiosks in a particular very small locality. Like suppose if example, if I am going to place this kiosk in Vadapalni, somewhere in Palamudi Cholai or in a medical shop or where people are get together or in a coffee shop. It's very easy for the local agents to search their needs. Currently we are not having this type of facilities, so if we have this, we can increase more number of customers to be added, and people will be also very easy for them to get the local details, and even we can have the deals, local deals or discounts. If a particular textile shop is updated with the new stock, they can get all those details in this kiosk itself. Apart from this kiosk, we already released the app for Vadapalani, so people also get these details in their mobile also. That's it. Thank you.